Great seeing you again. Today we're going to the Supercharger at
Malibu Village.
Let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here at the Malibu Village Supercharging Station, where there are a total of 8 superchargers.
1 full star for chargers. There's 8 of them, rated at 250 kV, open 24/7, and it's all the way in the back around the side. Half a star for bathrooms. They should be about 50 feet away inside the Broad Street Oyster Company, definitely clean, but you may have to walk about 685 feet across the street due to COVID restrictions, so be aware of the COVID restrictions. 1 full star for safety. It's well lit outdoor parking. 1 full star for food and beverage. Lots of great restaurants to choose from. 1 full star for cool factor. This place has a very friendly and mellow vibe. Discover the surfing cowboy and ask Donna about surf culture and history. And charge your carbon-based machine at Joules and Watts Coffee. Get it? The Malibu Village Supercharger gets a 4.5 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions: 0.1 miles from PCH1, and the cross street is Cross Creek. Check out the innovative surf stores and all the awesome shopping you can do. Discover the Broad Street Oyster Company. Their lobster roll is a must-try. Discover documentary filmmaker Eamon Harrington's Red Ladder Gallery. You've got to support the local coffee shop, Joules and Watts Coffee.
Why don't you tell everyone your first name?
I'm Ethan.
Ethan, tell us about this place.
Biggest thing is we have freshly roasted single origin coffee.
I'm looking over here at some single origin stuff you got.
Oh yeah.
I can see there's stuff from Peru, Colombia, Ethiopia, Guatemala, and Mexico.
Oh yeah.
So how do these beans get from those countries to Malibu?
Farms that are chosen to be places that treat their workers well. The owner's gonna buy those beans from the importers and choose them. He's pretty selective about where he gets the beans from, so he's gonna go for the ones that are gonna get the best flavor and from good people. Trying to keep that supply chain as small as possible.
I've seen a lot of people order this Baklava latte. What is it?
Our most unique drink that we have here, honey, rose water, and almond extract that we put into the latte, and we top it with cinnamon. You thinking cold or hot today?
Hot.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna pull a shot of our espresso, which is Colombian coffee. Most places for espresso, they do a blend. We do single origin for our espresso, all Colombian.
So what are you doing now? What's that called?
Distributing, and then tamping. Put in our baklava syrup. Like I mentioned before, it's just got the 3 ingredients in it. Fill our pitcher here. Now it's time to steam. Steaming is the magic moment of making espresso. Aerate. Now we're gonna make this pour. Put a heart in there for you if I can. We got a heart. We're topping this drink with cinnamon. Bye bye, heart. There's our baklava latte. Enjoy.
I noticed that in the Joules and Watts logo, you've got electricity flowing through. Is there a story behind the whole Watts thing and electricity?
Well, with coffee here, coffee's got caffeine, and that's people need that for their energy, and joules and watts are the measurements of energy and electricity, and we're giving people power-ups here. That's what the lightning hands are about, power-ups.
Can we get a shot of your Go Fast t-shirt?
See, there's the power-up right there. Check it out. I got a lot of reasons. I love coffee, it's a given. The owner here is awesome, Max. Great guy. He roasts all the coffee, cool to work for. We're working to create perfect little place to have next to the beach. Taking the extra steps to pair it well, and you get some delicious coffee and well-made coffee. And coffee that's something that I'm all about. The owner's all about, and get to work on a cool team to bring that to life. That's why I'm here.
Now, why don't you tell everybody a little bit about Max? What makes him so cool?
Well, I mean, first and foremost, he roasts exceptional coffee. Really skilled roaster. Brings a lot of flavors to life. But he's just a really nice guy, and he works here a lot too. So, ask any of the regulars, they'll tell you the same thing. He's a genuinely nice guy. Max, he's the real deal. People gravitate towards him because he's just he's got that kind of a vibrant personality.
If you can give the vibe of Malibu Village, what 2 or 3 words would you use?
Fun and busy. It's fun and busy. People come here, have a good time, but it's slamming, it's jamming. There's always a lot of stuff going on here. A lot of people coming through, so yeah, fun and busy.
Final advice you'd give anyone visiting Malibu?
Yeah, go to the beach. It's fun. That's what, try to have a good time. And don't be mean.
Very cool. Thank you, Ethan.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again.